Cookies and kindergarten, we are going to learn how to draw Johnny Appleseed. For this, you're going to need a blank piece of paper. Make sure it is tall and long. And you're going to need a pencil for drawing. Now, I'm going to talk about that in a little bit, but I'm going to use my marker here to explain so you can see it a little better. I'm going to give you step-by-step directions on how to draw Johnny Appleseed. So in about the middle of your paper, you're going to draw a large smile shape. And then under that smile shape, you're going to add 2 lines side by side, just like that. And from each of these lines, we're going to draw a hilltop to the bottom of the page. So you ready? Here we go. Right here, we're going to do hilltop down, and then we're also going to add 2 short up and down lines under those, right there. Now, don't panic. I know sometimes you're like, oh my gosh, it doesn't look like the teacher. Well, the teacher's a lot older than you. She's been doing this a lot longer, and guess what? Mine never look exactly as this author's directions look. So don't worry. That's the beauty of doing art. It doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be your work. Okay, now, across the top of this smile line, we're going to draw a straight line. And then we're going to draw a line up and another line up. And see, I'm almost to the top of mine, and I should have watched out for those. I'm going to then draw a line from one side to the other. Now I'm going to draw a sideways rectangle at the bottom side over here, just like this. And I'm going to put a square at the end, just like that. Now under the pen, I'm going to add hair, and usually with hair, I do zigzaggy lines. So here we go. We're going to go like that. There's his hair. Now you can go back later with your eraser and get that line out and get that line out, or you can color over it. Now we're going to add a smile and 2 circles for cheeks. We're going to add a rainbow-shaped nose. We're going to add 2 eyes, and I'm just going to do 2 colored in dots here. And I can add ears, which look like a C. And this one's a backwards C, and I add a little one inside there and a little one inside there. And then on here, I'm going to add a V and some X's under here to look like where his shirt was put together. And there you have Johnny Appleseed. Now what you can do with your picture is, after you've drawn this, take a black crayon and go right over top all of the lines, and it just makes it pop when you color it in. Now, Johnny Appleseed was a real man, Johnny Chapman, who went around the United States planting apple seeds and creating all these orchards for the people who were traveling from the east to the west to have food along the way. So, since he's a real person, we're going to do what's called realistic coloring, which means Johnny Chapman's skin is not going to be the same color as Baby Yoda's. It's also not going to be the same color as Cookie Monster. His face and his colors should look like a real person. It's called scientific coloring also. There's artistic, when you can do what you want, and then there is realistic. But we're going to do artistic coloring and send your pictures to your teachers. We would love to see these. All right, that's it for this directed drawing. I will see you later. Have a cookie-licious day.